Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and view the snaps you have sent on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, go ahead, open up your Snapchat app, go to chats, and then you can see first of all go to chats and open a particular chat from this section. Once you have done that, you should be able to look for saved messages. You can simply go ahead, if you have saved the messages, go ahead, tap by holding down, simply go ahead, long press and hold down on it. And then simply you can go ahead, long press on the particular message, tap on replay, and you will be able to check out the sent snap. What you can do next is you can go to your story page. So you can go ahead, go back to your profile right over here. Go to your story section and simply go ahead and check out the stories that we have sent as well. Next thing is you can go to the settings and simply have to find this particular option called My Data. From this section, go ahead, download the data where you will be able to check out all the data. Make sure to turn on the chat history right over here, and then once you do that, you will be simply be able to other media as well. Tap on next and simply choose to request to get the data for that matter. Once you have done that, you will receive an email from Snapchat. Tap on it and you should be able to check out your history. I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.